Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 37 of the Cougar Connection. We do have a few general announcements for this week. We do want to let everyone know that packets for the next 2 weeks have been mailed, and those should be arriving to you Monday or Tuesday of this week. If you do not receive your NTI packet, please let someone at school know. You can call my phone number or text me. My number is 330-648-3579, or you can message the school's Facebook page and let us know that you need some assistance. You can also call our district central office as well. Packet drop-offs for those of you who have completed your work, you do need to drop those off at Simons Middle School. You can do that at any time. There are totes out back by our gym, the entrance to our gym doors. So please, students and parents, just drop those in the totes, or you can choose to drop them off on Tuesday. We're going to have some gentlemen out front here collecting packets. They will be here from 8 to 6. So if you'd like to come by on Tuesday and drop those off, you may do so at that time as well. We do want to recognize this week Abby Lamar. She's our student spotlight. Abby is a Green Monkey team member, and this past week she won our photography contest. It was hosted by SMS, and this is the picture that she submitted for our photography contest. It received the most likes on Facebook. Abby loves spending time with her family and her friends. She loves to sing, and she does sing often at church. She attends New Life Church of Christ. She also loves her dogs Roxy and Maple. She likes to bake, and she is a member of the Zebra Divas After School Club. She also attends many of the clubs at the library, including Hangout and Art Club. She is a very talented young lady, and we are proud of you, Abby. Thank you for participating in our photo contest, and thank you for demonstrating the Can Will Must attitude. Our staff spotlight this week is Mr. Brad Hay. Mr. Hay is one of the co-founders of the Cougar Hill Farm, and while we do joke around with Mr. Hay and give him a hard time, we do really appreciate all of the things that Mr. Hay does for our students here at Simons Middle School. Through his efforts and some of his work, he has provided a lot of hands-on opportunities for our kids and a lot of PBL type learning. So thank you, Mr. Hay. We are proud of you, and we do appreciate everything that you do for our students here at Simons Middle School. Upcoming for this week, we do have a site-based council meeting that will be on Zoom, and I will post that link out to you on Facebook for anyone who would like to attend. We will have a SPED PLC at 1 o'clock on Tuesday. We will also have an admin team at 2 o'clock on Tuesday. And there is a principals meeting on both Tuesday and on Friday at 9 a.m. And there's also going to be a board meeting on Tuesday. Virtual, of course. Wednesday, right now, there is nothing on our schedule, but Thursday, staff is going to be a PLC day. Friday is Can Will Must t-shirt day. And that is all that we have this week for the regular connection. We do have our Achieve 3000 winners for last week, so we do want to shout out and recognize on Monday, Leona Puckett, Tuesday, Brandon Earlyrine, Wednesday, Alyssa Godby, Thursday, Dakota Hildebrand, Friday, Alexandria Johnson. Our weekly top scorer was Brandon Earlyrine for this week, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above for grade 7 was Alyssa Godby, and grade 8 was Riley Souter. And also we want to shout out to Jenna McKee. She also had an achievement last week for Achieve 3000. She actually tied for the top scorer on Friday. So Jenna, and all you students who were on the leaderboard this week, be on the lookout. I'm going to mail home a Cougar Pride card for you guys. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great week.